Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create sub-accounts on your profit and loss report using QuickBooks Online to keep your finances organized. First, log into QuickBooks Online and head to the profit and loss report to identify accounts that could use sub-accounts for better clarity. Next, find the account you want to turn into a sub-account and click the drop-down next to it. Then select Edit. In the editing window, check the box Make this a sub-account and choose the parent account it should belong to from the list. Once everything is set, click Save. Your new sub-account is now linked, helping you categorize financial data more precisely. And that's it. Creating sub-accounts in QuickBooks Online makes your reports clearer and your accounting more efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips.